The RP8700 Series is an IP68 sealed, long-life push-button switch with LED illumination potential. The switch features a threaded mount and multiple termination options, including solder lug, thru-hole, or molded back with wired connector. Cap styles include non-illuminated high or round, each available in 7 colors. The RP8700 fits a 13.6mm diameter panel cutout, has 1.5mm of travel, and a robust operating/storage temperature of -30 to 85 degrees Celsius. The gold over silver contacts deliver an electrical life of 500,000 cycles and a mechanical life of 1 million cycles. All these attributes make the RP8700 suitable for the industrial, appliance, audiovisual, and medical markets. You can find the RP8700 datasheet, spec sheets, and CAD models at eSwitch.com. Here at eSwitch, we energize innovation.